I'm facing an issue of media offline. This is a screen record video imported into DaVinci Resolve 16.2.1. I've set 24 FPS for the project. Let's try to render it, but it failed as expected. Source is a 24 FPS file as well. Create a new project, import the media and click on edit page. Playback fails with the same issue. Just double checking the properties, it is 24 FPS. Open untitled project, set FPS to 16, save and play it, but issue remains. It is not an FPS issue on my system. Let's try unlinking and relinking the media. Right click on the media and click unlink selected clips. This is how media offline is shown when files are moved to another location. Now click relink selected clips and browse to new media location. Media offline is gone, but playback issue remains. I think it has bad encoding. I'm going to convert into MP4 using H.264 encoding. Converted the media using VLC Media Player. How to convert link is given above. Import converted clip to the timeline and playback is working. Awesome. Now I can edit as a normal media clip and export afterwards. This media definitely had an encoding issue. I think screen recorder used a software encoder with incorrect settings. Please comment if you know any other method to solve this issue to help others. Bye for now.